Hi. The video quality could be a little messed up because we're shooting this from a laptop just because of the fact that I wanted you guys to take a look at that. Those are my vision boards, and it's September when I'm shooting this, which means that the year's about to come to an end in the next couple months. So I think it's high time that we take accountability and start ahead of everybody else because by the time everybody else has a wake up call, we'll be ahead of them and probably have sorted most of our life together, which never really happens, but at least you know the direction you're going in. So that's always helpful. So come sit down with me while I tell you about the vision boards that have worked for me so far and tell you about how you can practically implement it as well, right? I am balding, so we need minoxidil. And by the way, a better scalp health is going to be on my vision board this year. When my hair grow back, it's over. It's done for you all, okay? Don't come at me saying that, bye, who's that baddie with the full hair? Like, girl, I'm telling you, once it's back, no, over for you all. But no, jokes apart. So basically, my journey with manifestation began back in 2019, before a year before COVID hit, so 2019. And I was reading a book called, and I want you to see it when I say this. Oh, there are three kept here. Let me just pull out. अब मैं बता रही हूँ जब से ये मैंने बुक पढ़ी है 2019 से मेरे बेड के नीचे से हटी नहीं है भाई. No points for guessing. It's The Secret. It's the most worn out copy that you can find out there. It's literally in shambles with the cover, but under pure gold. I'm telling you, my holy grail, my Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, all in here. What I usually do, even till date, is just randomly open to a page. I ask the universe to give me a sign. जैसे ऐसे करके, I'll just show you a live example of what I do, okay? I take the book. Book nahi bhai, it's an emotion. I take my little baby, just close my eyes, set an intention ki let me see what I need to see today and open the book. And there are a bunch of stories that come up and I choose one intuitively. It helps if you're a woman, okay? Intuitively. And then I just read it. That's all I do. You wanna take a little peek on my days for today? So many times people say to me, I'd like to double my income in the next year. But then you look at their actions and they're not doing the things that are getting, going to get them closer to it. एक minute, थोड़ा overwhelming है ये because I've never done it with the camera. But let me just like, they'll turn right around and they'll say, I can't afford that. And guess that. Your wish is my command. If the words I can't afford it have passed your lips, your power to change that is now. Change it with I can afford that. So I'm gonna change my words to have a hair. I have a head full of hair. I have a scalp that just doesn't stop growing. I have thick fucking hair. I have the most gorgeous hair in the face of planet Earth. You know? You know what I mean? And बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to believe in it. You have to believe in it like you believe in your existence. And I would say that people say कि हाँ यार ये तो बहुत practical है, it's neurodivergence कि you start believing in it and then it shows up in your reality. But I am a huge believer of there's a fairyland and everything is magical. तो मुझे तो magic से ही लगता है कि भगवान जी ने मेरी सुन ली, उसके बाद यूनिवर्स में कुछ तारे मिल गए और magically सब आ गया मेरे life में. So please don't come at it. If you think I'm stupid, please go ahead and proceed to think that I'm fucking stupid. Please do that. Don't come at me saying that you are a idiot. You are an idiot just because you believe that everything happens magically. You have to take action. Brother, I know you have to take action. I know. I personally take action. What do you think I'm putting this in my head for every day without any reason? That's so not true. I am taking action, but I also like to believe that there's magic in this world. So you better stay at home and call me an idiot behind your laptop or mobile phone. If you think I'm an idiot, you probably have a mobile phone because you can't afford a laptop. If you, bro, I'm gonna get myself cancelled if I go on thinking that people who don't believe in magic, but I take action and I still believe in magic. So I think something plays out and pans out and everything happens beautifully. Like I'm not even kidding. One of my vision boards had a Moana picture. If I find it, I'll put it here somewhere. Here somewhere. But one of my vision boards had Moana ka the Mother Nature Earth. I love it. I love it. Like I would love to see it in person one day. And I couldn't see it in person. But guess what? Guess what the fuck happened? Moana 2 came out. The same year that I put it on my vision board, Moana 2 comes out of nowhere. I had no idea what happens. Girl, I'm telling you, अभी भी पिंपल है मुझको, अभी एक आया हुआ है, मेरे periods अभी खत्म हुए, but if you compare it to what I had, I don't know where I'm gonna put the pictures, maybe both the directions. If you see what I had, this girl is so grateful for the skin. मतलब आधा जादू तो इसी का है, but you get the point. Bro, I'm telling you, something shifts when your words, your intentions, your actions do. Something just plays out beautifully. Anyways, the last thing that I want to talk about is have it all around you. Like even while I'm looking at it right now, एक उधर भी रखा है, एक पीछे भी रखा है. इसके पीछे affirmations है, by the way. If you are lucky, you can see it in the camera. I don't think anybody is more lucky than me. Delusional. Delusional queen right here. Perhaps before I talk about having it everyone, let me talk about how I am delusional. Okay. There's nothing better of a story than me telling you about the time when I told one of my very close sisters. We are not as close anymore because life happened, but I was very close to her back then. I told her that, hey, baby, so an office event is coming up, and I am going to freaking Mumbai when I'm doing that. And I know she wishes me well. It's very important to have people who wish you well, by the way. Okay, let me take another example to make it more clearly. Okay, this could be a story time for some time else. But so there was a time when my sister, who's very close to me and is a well wisher back then, hurts. So I was very close to her and I was just telling her that, hey, I had my journalism exam and I am on my way to my journalism exam when I'm saying this. And I don't know shit about journalism, okay? And I'm just texting her, hey, so it's my journalism exam and I am so glad that it went so well. I was so confident. All the questions that I knew came in the exam and I absolutely nailed it. Guess what? On my way to the exam, I'm texting her this, and I told her that, hey, this question came. I never really prepared for anything but this, and this just came. Brother, if I am able to find a mark sheet of how much I scored in journalism as an open elective back in college, I will do that. I will literally put proofs when I'm talking about this. और ऐसे एक इंसिडेंट नहीं है बेटा. हजार से भी ज्यादा टाइम मैंने जो चीजें मैनिफेस्ट किया ब्रो. ये आउटफिट आई वांटेड समथिंग सबरीना कोडेड जूनो टाइप्स का, बस 150 में लिया हुआ है. नॉट इवन किडिंग. एक रैंडम ठेले से. इफ यू थिंक दिस इज लाइक bougie and cute and cutesy and pyara, 150 rupees only. Please comment for link. I will send. No links. Address. I will send address. Anyways, we just have one more minute before I dodge and do my whole ritualistic journal. Like journalism का तो नहीं पता पर journal हम जरूर करते हैं. पेन की क्या है but anyways तुम अंदर का तो नहीं देखने वाले हो because आधे पन्ने अभी भरे नहीं हैं. But there's a lot of journaling that we do, good and bad. And I always like put one page and then one page empty just because I want to draw shit and like write a lot. We write a lot. Write your goals down. It's gonna help you so much. Literally, when I was trying to lose weight, bro, I had invested a fucking glow up. I'm telling you, it's real. And you better do it. And tag me in the comments. Ask me for tips on this and everything else. वेट लूज करते टाइम भी मैं एक से दो डायरिया मेंटेन करती थी जहाँ एक में मैं अपना रियलिस्टिक चीजें लिखती थी जो जो लोग आएंगे मेरे पास बोले देखो पहली बात तो रियलिस्टिक कुछ होता है नहीं एवरीथिंग इज मैजिकल पर तब जब भी लिखा करती थी मैं अपनी चीजें तो एक इसमें ऐसे उस टाइम पे उतना नहीं समझता अब तो ज्यादा बेटर बट उस टाइम पे रियलिस्टिकली लिख देती थी व्हाट वाज माय वेट एंड व्हाट एम आई ट्राइंग टू अचीव एंड आई लिटरली यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ द काइंड ऑफ बॉडी दैट आई वांटेड एंड ऑफ ऑलरेडी हियर बट नो गर्ल आई एम टेलिंग यू इट हेल्प्स सो यू बेटर गो ट्राई इट आउट मैं अपने इमेजेस भी अटैच कर दूंगी कि ये पफी फेस हुआ करता था और अब कैसा है I'm just gonna say that everything is manifestable and everything is gonna come when you let it. Bro, last thing before I go, please don't manifest the things that you are not ready for because अगर वो तुम्हारी life में आ भी जाएंगे, you won't have the ability to keep them in your life. I manifested a job in a finance corporation for 2 days because 2 दिन से ज़्यादा मैं उस job में रह नहीं पाई. I did not know that my body and my soul are not ready for those things इसलिए they didn't stay when they wanted to. But I did not manifest mindfully, but it still came to life. So it's very much possible that whatever you manifest is going to come to your life, but you better have the ability to make it sustain. You can attract, but if you cannot sustain, you won't be able to get it in your life. I think I'm done ranting here. So I'm just going to go manifest some more beautiful things in your life and be there for you when you're trying to manifest beautiful things in your life. I love you a lot. Thank you very much. Good night. Okay, now, boy.